hello and welcome back to the channel. We're not out and about today. We're
not home, but we're at the motorhome.
Yeah, we're at the motorhome. The problem is that not yesterday, day before, when I was filling the motorhome water up, Susie noticed that there was a drip, and okay, that was me stood beside her. And she said, "Oh, that's a bit odd. There's a drip there." So I said, "Oh, okay, I'll have a little look." Well, yesterday came and went, and because I was out most of the day yesterday, so this morning I was filling the motorhome up, and sure enough, there was a drip of water, quite a good drip of water. So I thought, right, okay, I'll investigate and find out what the problem is. So I'll show you what I found. Well, our water pump is in the back of the van, and it is just there, as you can see, with the water tank and the pump. So I checked it, and I sort of put my hand underneath here, and you can see my hand just underneath there, and it was drip, 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 drip. So this is where this is the pump I took off, and as you can see, it's been leaking on that gasket all down here. Now I don't know how long it's been dripping, but it's been dripping. So when did I say I bought that pump?
2 years ago, 2022.
2022. I replaced the pump because it had died, so I bought another pump, which cost me 40 something quid. But I said to Susie, it's quite sensible, if we have another spare pump in the van, it'll never go, and we'll not need it. Anyway. Liar, David, liar, liar, your pants are on fire. So I had a spare pump, there you go, and it was in the box. The paperwork. I paid £58.95, and I bought it, when does it say? Oh, I don't flipping know. Yeah, 12th of the 9th, 2022. So yeah, there you go. So I got my spare pump, and I took all that one out this morning, cleaned all the filters out, put it all back together again, and it works lovely. So I think it's one of those things for me. It's always best to have spares. So when I get back home, I'm going to strip that pump down, see if I can repair the gasket and sort that out, which I'm sure I will, and then I will put that back in the box so we've got a spare one. So for me, it's always best to have spares. Anyway, it was a pretty easy job. It was
in the rain.
Yeah, of course, because it started to rain as I was doing it, so I got everything out the back of the van. So anyway, it's done now. I wasn't going to film it while I was doing it, but anyway, it's done now. So me personally, I would always have spares. So if you haven't bought one, it's maybe a good idea that you do. So thanks for watching. It could have been a bit of a nightmare, couldn't it?
It could have been.
If we hadn't got a pump.
It could have been a go home time.
Yeah, go home, and we've still got another
3 weeks.
3 weeks. So thanks for watching. So look, Susie's having her ice cream. Say bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye. See you again soon. Bye.